And I love that the weather really held up for them too.
Absolutely. And you know, this week, just absolutely gorgeous. I mean, it is a little on the warm side for early November standards,
Yeah.
but the sun is out. We get to see rain in a few days, so it's really looking
I
fall-like for
love the
us.
rain.
I know, and it's perfect timing, really, depending on how you see it. And I'll let you know what I mean by that.
All right.
Okay, so today we're looking at some cloud cover overhead. It's not very dense. It's very thin, high cloud cover. Temperature of 66 degrees right now in Fort Worth. We see a similar sight in Dallas. And if you do spend some time outside today, just to give you a heads up, ragweed and fungus still at a moderate count today. 70 degrees right now. That's what's being reported at DFW. Our air is a little bit dry, but we are seeing more moisture come in because of a south wind. Right now it's on the light side. Our day planner for today showing about 75 degrees at 1, 76 degrees around 3, and 77 degrees around 5. Winds will remain light, this time out of the south and east at about 5 to 10. Most of us will see the mid-70s today, with 77 across Dallas and Fort Worth, mid-70s for areas near the Red River and south of Interstate 20. So here's where that cloud cover is coming from. It's actually coming from a cluster of storms south of the area. Most of us here in North Texas stay dry, but if you're heading towards southeast Texas, that's where they're dealing with quite a bit of shower and thunderstorm activity. We missed out on that. What I'm watching, though, is our next potential for rain. It's still coming onto the Pacific Northwest coast. It's what we call an atmospheric river, pretty much an area of moisture coming onto the coastline. That is our next system, already putting in place several winter advisories for areas closer to the Four Corners. Different impacts here locally, so let me talk you through them. This is Friday. As we head into the morning, we'll notice this rain in the panhandle, and that's what we'll start to watch. Early morning on Friday, we're going to see some scattered showers. It may cause some issues for our morning drive. What we'll notice is that this is going to be expanding in coverage as we head closer towards 2, 3 in the afternoon as that front comes in. So that front, it's going to cause a bit of instability. It's going to work in with some moisture. Those two things combined mean the potential for strong to severe storms. That is going to continue to move from west to east. This is now around 5. We generally see our warmest part of the day around this time, so a lot of energy to work with. We're going to be noticing that this moves from west to east through 7. Look at that. A lot of us thinking about Friday night football plans. We may see some of those games really become interrupted because of this rain. It clears out from west to east through the morning on Saturday. I think most of the day Saturday will be dry. It'll just be a little on the breezy side. So, okay. This is our severe weather outlook. The Storm Prediction Center does have North Texas highlighted for that potential. Strong winds, large hail will be the main concern early in the day, but in the evening time, it'll be more of a strong wind kind of situation. We're also not ruling out the potential for an isolated brief tornado within that line of thunderstorms, just something to keep in mind. 1 to 2 inches of rain looking likely for us across Dallas-Fort Worth, slightly higher for the north and western counties. Here's a look at that 10-day. Temperatures overall staying in the 70s, a little cooler on Saturday thanks to that rain moving in.
Coming up on GMA 3.